Got it here, Boker knives between $50 and $100. This one I think called Kalashnikov. So let's start with this one. They're all pretty new, just came out recently. I don't get this little tapes over here. Okay. This one is $45 and let's see what it's about. Looks like there's got to be safety somewhere. So you know what, this is actually not automatic. You gotta press it and open it. I think when I was buying it, it says not automatic. So automatic Kalashnikov 74 Boker. This is funny. So what it says over here, there you go. I mean, it's a cool little knife. Looks like a 3-finger knife, even though it's kind of showing 4 fingers, but with my big fingers, no way. So kind of don't fit. So yeah, maybe for small hands. You see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not for my fingers. But it's kind of funny. What do you guys think? Made in Taiwan, automatic Kalashnikov. So the way open it and close it, you gotta press the button and then fold it and unfold it. I don't see much resemblance of automatic Kalashnikov. But I guess it's a catchy name that sells. Okay, let's keep on going. Made in China. That's why they are much cheaper, I guess. I think this is a Wasabi phone flipper. That's the name of it. So that's a really long flipper right here. Let's see, you grab it from here. Wow. Looks like a friction lock right here. But it says phone flipper. So let's try it. Looks like there's no locks. Just kinda open it and close it. Maybe that's how we open it. Kinda this way. Oh wow, that actually works really well. I kinda like it. It's everyday knife for sure. Because it's quite small, super lightweight, and it's looks like a pen. You wanna close it, there you go. You can open it this way, but I think it's more so opens this way really well. Wow, that's definitely unique. So the easiest way to open it is like that. That is awesome. Although it looks like a friction knife, you don't even have to think about opening it. Just grab it. Oops. Well, takes a lot of practice, I guess. That's one of a kind way to open it for sure. I really like that knife a lot actually. And that one was $57. Okay, let's see what we got. Keychain Knife Mikata. I mean, that sounds like a different language to me. I totally probably butchered it. I really don't get these little stickers. It's just a knife. I don't really care about the stickers as long as a knife have not beat up inside of it. Okay, comes with a nice little holder. Okay, let's see how much I paid for this one. This one is a $70, a little bit more. Let's see if it's any worth it. I was like, wait 1 minute, where is the knife? There you go. Looks like a piece of candy. I like this like skinny tiny little knives for everyday carry. Wow. You know what that reminds me of? So one of these CEO flipper. I love these flippers. They're so small and tiny. Look at that blade, opening boxes, whatnot. And this is a liner lock. And this one is very similar, but honestly looking better. Is this the flipper right here? Wow. So this is also liner lock. Yeah, they actually outdid this one right here. I mean, I like them both. This is a little bit more expensive, but it is cuter, I would say. Check this out. Boom. This one has a little tiny flipper thing. Wow. Not as sketchy, but pretty easy. Don't even have to think about it. Let's say I need to grab it. Boom. Had a little bit of problem there. Grab it. Boom. Versus this one, also beautiful. Just grab it. Much more to go on the finger. But aesthetically, this one a little bit more beautiful. And there is no problem opening it. This is a smaller blade. Yeah, it's skinnier blade. I don't know, which one do you guys like better? I like them both for different reasons. I like this one a lot still, and it's cheaper. But yeah, definitely very similar knife, so I like this knife a lot. It's smaller too. Yeah, beautiful. I really like that. There's a clip. This one is actually only $17, a really cheap one, so super budget. Something you grab and beat it up. I call it a junk knife. What's so special about it? Oh, this is even worse. This is a keychain knife. Definitely something to beat up and use really hard. Okay, how do we open that? I'm telling you, so cool. Okay, that is definitely unique. Okay, that is awesome. You see, I like that keychain knife. I don't even know how do you call that opening mechanism, but there looks like neodymium magnet, boom. I really like that. That's definitely a weird one. There's markings on it, Boker. For some reason I want to call it Boker. And there's D2 and another logo. I like it. I love that kind of weird knives right here. I actually have one right here sitting out. This one a lot harder to open it, but same mechanism. You see it? It's hard to open it and close it on this one, versus this one is magnets, easy to open it and close it. But I love that unique flipper for sure, or like opener. These stickers are annoying. This is a budget knife, so they really have to stick it up. Oh, this is a nice packaging for just $63 knives. Oh wow, another one, CEO looking one, and this one is very similar. Wow, that's beautiful. VG10. Okay, liner lock. I'm still learning all this different type of knife mechanism and closing mechanism right here. There's a lot of different names. So this is very comfortable. I guess we should compare it to CRKT side by side. Again, a bit smaller. I like it. So these ones I would actually use every day. They're really nice and fun to use. They're really small, as big as a pen. But you know what? Out of all of this one is definitely biggest surprise. I never had a knife that flips like that, to where you can just grab it with the pointy finger. Boom. It works for me really well this way. This is interesting. But yeah, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. A lot of cool knives for just under $100. I really like them a lot.